glasses make a difference?
Beautiful eyes.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yes. The only reason we're asking...
Any other questions?
This dude literally gonna stop and tell me he had beautiful eyes, really?
Yeah.
God.
Security to be made. If security hadn't approached me or anything like that, there would have been nothing to make public. I'm a dude standing out on the sidewalk with my telephone. You think if it was illegal? You think if it was illegal to do on the sidewalk? You think they would put a camera on the back of every one of the phones that are produced today? You have a camera. You have 1,000 cameras going in there. My camera doesn't make a difference. I'm in public. I'm in public. I have no intention of going in your property at all. Not anymore, anyway, at least. So, but you guys think you're gonna call the sidewalk police or the feelings police because people are upset about a camera? What do you think they're gonna do? I'll tell you, nothing. That's things.
That's there?
Yeah, sure.
That's our... Okay, let's go.
Ooh. Like I said, I would have got into it with you, but now I'm not going to that. All right, cool. That sounds good. Anything else? Anything else I can help you with? I'll cop out. Yeah, sure. Sounds good. Yeah, I'm a journalist. I'm a journalist.
Oh, well, journalists would probably know that they shouldn't be doing things like that.
Oh, really?
Real press knows not to press.
Real press. Real press. What do you define as real press? Oh, okay. Oh. All right, well then I guess I'm not real press. We'll see how fake my press is after this video goes out. It seems like it. Seems like you're trying to make the situation real good. I stood here and was approached by you guys. I've been laughing with this dude, having a good time, had a normal conversation, and had people smiling at me as they walk by. Nothing's going on. So, and you're wearing a blue Lives Matter hat. Good for you. Back to blue until it happens to you.
Right.
Huh? There you go. So is there anything I can help you guys with, or are you guys just trying to impede my business and interrupt what I'm doing?
More than welcome to stay on the sidewalk.
I know I am. Thank you. Thank you for coming out and telling me I can be on a sidewalk. Thank you. What if I had a photographic memory? And I looked at the building and then I went home and drew a bunch of pictures of it. What are you going to do then? You wouldn't? You can't trespass my eyes, right? You can't arrest my eyes. You could trespass my phone. Do you even hear yourself speaking right now, dude?
You hear yourself.
I do, yeah. Millions of other people do, too.
They're on the way.
Thanks. Oh, no. No, call them back. Tell them to leave. Tell them you're just kidding. This is going to be fun.
They waited like how long into the video before they called the police? Halfway through.
You guys can be the fapperones if you want. Yeah.
And then just to troll him, he quits recording after the police get there and tell him he can't.
Yeah.
See, that's the good thing about these auditors, man.
There you go.
Everybody has the right to it.
Everybody has the right to freedom of press.
They'll stay there for like another hour just standing out there.
Very nice to meet you.
Not even recording, but just holding his phone like he was. Trolling.
Right here.
Go gadget, right?
Sounds good. Yeah, I can't. Watch. You think I like you getting in my face?
I'm loving right
now. Oh no, am I? Can you tell? How did you ask her if it's a woman? Did you ask her if she's a woman? It's 2025. I wouldn't assume that, bro. I'd be careful. Oh, you did. You just called her a woman straight up. You just called her a woman straight up. What does a woman have to do anything with that anyways? Women or not? What does it have to do? What difference does that make? No, oh, nothing? Again? A nothing comment? You seem to be full of those today. And you too. What am I full of? I don't know. You tell me.
I don't like to do that. I don't like to tell people right. Okay? And I don't like to say facts.
I'm sorry?
The fact is that you're standing here recording a building.
Yep.
That's not until you're leaving or not.
That's there you go. Absolutely. Those are the facts. So are you going to call sidewalk police?
Police.
Oh.
I don't know if it's a sidewalk. If there is, then I've never heard of it.
Yeah. You seem to be